Hey guys, a little quick vlog for you. Yeah, you may notice the snow, right? Check this out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got a massive blizzard warning lately. It's just yesterday, and it snowed like it never freaking could believe. Dude! Oh, my socks are wet. Dude! This is way deeper than 8 inches. This is like a foot. Oh my gosh! I'm going to the lake now. We're gonna see if it's frozen. Well, it's sort of frozen. Dude, should I step in it? Oh yeah. That's a no-no. Dude. We gotta get back. Shoot. Yeah, by the way, no 180p today. Because that so it was freezing out today video. That took a lot longer to upload. That hurts. That's not even funny anymore. Ow! Oh god.